how you can fix your Meta AI not working on WhatsApp iOS. So first thing first, let's open the App Store or Play Store from your mobile phone, and once you open it, you can see there is search bar at the very top. So let's search for the WhatsApp in here. So now you can see there is two WhatsApp option in here. First one is WhatsApp Messenger and another one is WhatsApp Business. So make sure to download the WhatsApp Messenger if you want to access the Meta AI. And you can see there is it is developed by WhatsApp Inc. And don't forget there is download option at the right side. So simply tap on it and you will be able to access your Meta AI on your WhatsApp successfully. So basically, yeah, this is how and this is the process to fix your Meta AI not working on your WhatsApp. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.